Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. In today's video, I decided to paint from yesterday's hair tutorial. I just decided to create a character from it and start drawing it. I named her Irina, and I really just wanted to have fun with this one and just draw a female portrait. Nothing big, nothing too crazy, but yeah, I had a lot of fun. I haven't done a few voiceover videos lately, so I decided to do a voiceover video as well. Right now I'm at day 219 of my 365 days of art, and I still feel great. I don't feel like I have to stop or anything like that. I'm really enjoying the entire process, and also my confidence in my artistic skills have skyrocketed. So I'm just gonna go with the flow and enjoy the entire process as I move along. I actually wanted to talk about my Patreon account. I had a Patreon account, but the past month I was kind of a bit confused. I really wanted to upload tutorials on YouTube, but then I was uploading some tutorials on Patreon and it was taking a lot of my time, and then I had a lot of work to do for my graphic design, so I was slacking on that, and I feel really bad for my Patreons. But I decided to just go on a hiatus on my Patreon account, and I am kind of reshuffling everything. Right now my mind is set on creating tutorials on YouTube and uploading my files on Patreon. So I don't know when I'm gonna open it up, maybe next month or January. It all depends, because the next 2 to 3 months are gonna be super hectic outside of my artistic or art schedule. So I don't know how things are gonna work out for me, but I hope they work out just fine for me, and I'll be able to upload my Patreon account and have people download my files there. But anyway, it's something I really want to do because I want to upload more tutorial and also my study notes for people to get. But of course we all know everything costs money, and I need to eat. I need to feed myself, so finding a way to kind of have something that I can sell. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say in today's video. I really don't have much to say other than thank you everybody who subscribed to my channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I kind of see it's impossible, but let me just say that if you like this content, please subscribe, share, like and comment. It will really help me a lot. And also I want to reach 500 subscribers on my Instagram, so check it out as well. But I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.